Making a video on how to tighten steering column lock nut. So the steering wheel had play, and it would make a noise when you would do this quickly. It was like a knocking noise, like dun 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 dun, as you would turn it. I just tightened it. I don't want to go back again just to show you the sound, but basically it was like a knocking sound when you would shake the steering wheel back and forth. What you do is you use a monkey wrench, and yeah, you don't have to take this part off. It's only the bottom portion. So you put your monkey wrench on, or whatever wrench you have. You hold it like this, and then, so obviously I would be holding that, and then you take your other arm and you turn the wheel this way, and you have to counteract. So you hold the wrench, and with the other arm you turn the steering wheel this way, and it will tighten. So maybe I'll do it one more time. I think I did it enough, but let me try again. Got the wrench on. Let me see if I can somehow put this down so I can show you. Okay, this is plenty tight. I don't want to go more, but now there's absolutely no knocking sound. It's tight again. So, and yeah, don't think that just because that lock nut isn't actually loose, like it's not easily being moved, don't think that this is not loose. Mine wasn't, like, you couldn't move it with your fingers, and even with this long monkey wrench, it wasn't easy to tighten it. I mean, it was easy, but like it wouldn't easily move. You had to actually use some force. So just because yours isn't actually loose, don't think it's not. Tighten it and you'll see the noise going away.